Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. This is the afternoon look at our market scans for the leading ETFs. This is going to be for the coming session, which is going to be Tuesday, April 9th, 2013. We've got a very low volume day here, but we do have some good price advances for the bulls. We gapped up this morning, filled the gap from today, and then actually proceeded to go up and fill the gap that was left over from the non-farm number on Friday. On Friday, if you recall, our scans were more bullish than bearish, and we were anticipating upside trade to dominate the tape today. We certainly got it. But today, right now in the majors, we don't have any continuation signals either way. Moving on to the individual sectors, we're kind of paired off here with some buys and some sells. We do have a differential sell signal here in the KRE on above typical volume. Got a volume bump in the XLP and also a volume bump in the TAN. This one, a camouflage sell signal with PPH, could be interesting, though it's on very light volume. Looking at the commodities, again, kind of mixed here, mostly on very low volume. A couple of these things are fairly weak today. The UNG is weak. The GDX is particularly weak as well. No signals in the bonds and just fairly typical volume there. Onto the foreign things. The foreign ETFs are not really showing too much in the way of signals. We do have an upside camo in the EWU and also the EWT. And there's a volume bump in the EWJ, which is having a strong session, about 1% above the open, and a volume bump in that EWU. But we're not really making much of a move here away from the open. As far as the specials go, a little bit better to buy here, which actually makes them mixed because some are long and some are short. So the specials are basically just mixed, and not really seeing any volume jumping out here in the special ETFs. That is the leveraged ETFs. Well, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich Derrick for tradesight.